You can also create a perfect moon-style Hindi animation video and grow 4.29 million subscribers, with just 180 short videos getting millions of views, absolutely free. But here's the problem. 99% of creators face two major challenges while trying to make videos like Moon Hindi animation. First, they fail to generate images like these for free. Second, they fail to write highly engaging scripts like Moon Hindi animation. And these two are the real backbone of that channel's success. But before I show you how to fix these issues, watch this video I created, completely for free.
किसान मिट्टी के आंगन में एक एक करके अंडे सजाता जा रहा था। पास में बैठा कबूतर उसे देखता और हर दिन एक अंडा और ला देता। धीरे धीरे आंगन में अंडों का बड़ा पहाड़ बन गया, सफेद चमकता हुआ। किसान उन्हें बाजार में बेचकर घर बनाना चाहता था, पर एक रात तेज बारिश आई, सब अंडे बह गए। सुबह कबूतर वापस आया, उसने खाली जमीन देखी, फिर किसान को देखा जो चुपचाप मिट्टी में अंडों के छिलके गाड़ रहा था। कबूतर उसके कंधे पर आ बैठा और रो पड़ा, क्योंकि किसी ने लाइक और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया।
Now, to generate a powerful story script for such videos, you need to visit this channel first. Then, go to the most popular shorts section and open the very first one. Now, copy the shorts link. Next, head over to notegpt.io. You'll find the link in the description below. Paste that short link there and generate the transcript of the video. Once it's ready, simply copy the entire script and save it in a notepad file. Repeat the same process for the next two most popular shorts as well. Now you'll have the scripts of the top 3 viral shorts. Once done, copy all 3 scripts together and open ChatGPT. Here's what you need to tell ChatGPT. Analyze these scripts and provide 3 similar story scripts in Hindi. If you want it in English, just change the language to English. The script length should be similar to the provided ones, and it must be set in an Indian village with a maximum of 2 characters, including 1 bird character. The story should start in the middle of an action, without any background explanation, and end with a sad or crying bird character because no one liked or subscribed. Also, make sure the last line connects smoothly with the previous one. Then write, "Here are the scripts," and paste the copied scripts below. That's it. This process will help ChatGPT understand your storytelling style, and it will generate 3 powerful, viral-worthy scripts, just like Moon Hindi animation. You can go ahead and use any one of the stories ChatGPT provides, but if you want a story based on a custom theme, just tell ChatGPT this. Now you understand the type of story I want, so generate a similar script with the theme, a farmer, a pigeon, and an egg business. And within a few seconds, your custom story script will be ready. Next, ask ChatGPT to provide image prompts for the 2 main characters of your story. Be specific. Tell it to only give the character prompts, nothing else. Also mention that the human character should be a bodybuilder without any clothing on the upper body. The image must be in a 3D cartoonish rural Indian style, with Pixar-style 3D render, volumetric lighting, high detail, and vibrant colors. Once you get the prompts for both characters, copy the first character prompt and go to Google Whisk, link in the description. Click this small arrow, then, under the subject section, click Enter Text and paste the prompt. Now hit Generate to create your first character image. Next, copy the second character prompt from ChatGPT. Click the plus icon under the subject section. Again, click Enter Text, paste the second prompt, and generate the second character image. Once both characters are ready, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to provide scene-by-scene text-to-image prompts for each line of the above story script. The style must be in 3D cartoonish rural Indian look, with a nostalgic tone, Pixar-style 3D render, volumetric lighting, highly detailed textures, and vibrant colors. Each scene must feature the main characters extra large, covering at least 50% of the scene space. This step is extremely important. If you skip this, or don't phrase it correctly, you won't get the desired results. Now, ChatGPT will give you text-to-image prompts for every scene of your story. Copy the prompt for scene 1 and go back to Google Whisk. Paste the prompt in the prompt box. You can adjust the aspect ratio here. Since I'm creating a YouTube Shorts video, I'll select 9:16. If you're making a horizontal video, you can choose 16:9 instead. Once ready, click Send. Whisk will generate 2 image options for your scene. Choose the one that fits your story best. Similarly, you can generate images for all the remaining scenes. Just make sure the two main characters remain selected. This keeps your visuals consistent throughout. Using Whisk, you can generate all these images for free. There might be a usage limit, but honestly, I've never hit that limit. Now, go back to ChatGPT and say, I've generated images for all the above scenes. Now, I want to convert these scene images into video clips. Please provide me with the perfect prompts for converting each image into video, including background SFX details. ChatGPT will instantly provide video prompts for each scene. Next, copy the video prompt for scene 1 and open Grok, the free AI image-to-video generator. Before generating the video, make sure to turn off automatic video generation. To do this, click your profile icon, Settings, Behavior, and turn off the Automatic Video Generate option. You can check the description below for why this step is important. Now, upload your scene 1 image, paste the copied video prompt into the box, and hit Send. Within a few seconds, your scene 1 video clip will be ready. You can preview it right there. Repeat the same process for all remaining scenes. Grok might have a daily limit, but it's enough to create 2 full YouTube shorts per day, absolutely free. Before merging and editing the clips, let's generate a voiceover. Go to Google AI Studio, free voiceover generator, link in the description. Select Single Speaker Audio, preview, and choose a voice you like. Then, paste your story script into the text box and hit Run. Within a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Preview it.
किसान मिट्टी के आंगन में एक-एक करके अंडे सजाता जा रहा था.
And if you're satisfied, go ahead and download the file. Now, open your favorite video editor and import all your video clips and the voiceover file. Start by dragging the voiceover to the timeline. Next, remove silent spaces from the narration. You can do it manually, or if you're using Filmora, simply click the Silence Detection option. Use these settings, as shown on screen, then click Analyze. And finally, Finish and Replace. Once all silent parts are trimmed, import all your video clips one by one onto the timeline. Then, select all clips together and lower their background sound to -15 decibels. Increase the video scale slightly to 110% for a more cinematic look. Now, play the preview.
किसान मिट्टी के आंगन में एक-एक करके अंडे सजाता जा रहा था. पास में बैठा.
Next, sync the clips with your narration. You can adjust the speed of individual clips, slow down or speed up, to match the voiceover perfectly. Once everything aligns with the narration, it's time to take your video to the next level by adding sound effects. Go to Pixabay and search for sound effects like bird flapping. Preview the sounds and download the ones that fit your video, all for free. Add these SFX to your timeline, just like I've shown here, to make your scenes feel alive and emotional. And bingo! Your Moon Hindi animation-style video is ready. Let's play the final preview.
किसान मिट्टी के आंगन में एक-एक करके अंडे सजाता जा रहा था. पास में बैठा कबूतर उसे देखता और हर दिन एक अंडा और ला देता. धीरे-धीरे
If you've watched this video till here, please support me by hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel so you don't miss more tutorials like this. And if you think this tutorial was powerful, then don't miss this video where I reveal the secret formula to create long-form videos for free using Grok AI.